Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide any section or block in Shopify when the Metafield is empty. In the last video, we covered how to display dynamic content using Shopify Metafields. Basically, I covered how to display dynamic content on product tab. Now, we'll take it a step further by using that if a Metafield has no content, the section, block, or the tab is hidden. Basically, I'll do that with the product tab, but you can apply the same method to any section or block. So right now I am on my product. I am on my Shopify store. As you can see, I have 3 products here, and let's open these 3 products. And if I go to my product pages, you can see that in my first row product there is 2 tab, which is how to use and ingredients, and there is content also on the tabs, right? This how to use and ingredients. Also the same with the other products, which is liquid plastic tin. You can see there is content available on the tab. So in our previous video, we learned how to add this content dynamically by using Shopify Metafields. But the problem is when we go to our third product, which is pencil sharpener, you can see that the tab are empty. There is no content available on this tab. But however, you can see that these 2 tabs are appearing on the product pages. So in this tutorial, we'll learn how to remove or how to hide this content. How to hide this tab if the Metafield is empty. And for that, we need to write some piece of code here. So let's see how we can do that. So at first, we need to go to our customization page. So let's click the customize. And from here we need to go to our product page, the default product page. So go to my default product page, and here I need to add a block to write our code. So to do that, just click add block here. Just click add block and add custom liquid block here. So if you click custom liquid, you will see that there is option to write liquid kit here. So at first, so to do the thing that we are looking for, we need to write a condition in liquid. So the condition will be if this how to use or this ingredients. At first I'm working on let's work on how to use. So if the how to use tab Metafields is blank, then this tab should be hidden from this page. But if the tab has content, the Metafield has content, then it should appear on product page, right? So let's see how we can write this, how we can write that condition on liquid. So at first, if you want to write a condition in liquid, you need to give curly braces and percentage. You need to write if and then percentage and curly braces. Then we need to end this if. So just write curly braces, percentage, and if, and then percentage and curly braces. Sorry. So in the first line, we need to write our condition. So the condition will be if product dot Metafields dot, we need to give the key of this Metafield. So in our previous video, we saw how we can where we can find the key of the Metafield. So just go to your settings, just go to your settings. From here, just go to your custom data, and here go to product, and here is the here are 2 Metafields that I created in previously. So right now I want to work with how to use. So just copy the key of this how to use. Just copy this one and paste it here on Metafields dot how to use. So it's if product.metafields dot custom how to use is equal to blank. So that means if product.metafield.custom how to use is equal to blank, then the code in the if condition will work. Otherwise, this condition won't work. Okay, so right now we have created our condition. Then we need to write CSS code to hide this tab. So in CSS, if you want to do anything with any of your elements in your page, you need to get the ID of that element. So in our case, we need to get the ID of this how to use element. So for that, if we want to get the ID of this how to use element, we need to go to the product page. So just go to any of your product page. So you can go any of your product page. So in your product page, just right click your mouse, then click inspect. If you inspect that, you can see that all the code of this page are appearing here. So from here, you can see that here is the icon. If you click the icon, you can see that now you can select any of the element on the page. So in our case, we need to get the idea of this how to use. So I am just clicking that how to use. I am selecting that. If I select that, you can see that this is the code of this how to use element. So in here you can see that there is an ID for this how to use. So just copy this one and go to your customize page, and from here, so in liquid, if we want to write any style code in liquid, so any CSS code in liquid, we need to put a style tag here. So for that, just put your style tag, style, and end of the style. Then in between this style tag, we need to write our CSS code. So in CSS, if you want to target any ID, you need to put a hash before the ID. So just put a hash and then paste your ID, and then you need to give a curly braces, and then you need to write the ID. So write the code of this whatever you want to do. So in our case, we want to hide this. We want to remove this tab. So for that, we need to write display none. So if you write display none, you'll see that this tab will remove from the page. Okay, so we have as you can see, we have written our code, but you can see that still our tab is hidden from the page. The reason is we have put a condition on the code. The condition is if product.metafield this custom.how to use is blank, then this code should be work. If it doesn't, then this code shouldn't be work. So in this case, this how to use have content. That's why this how to use tab isn't hidden from the page. But if I go to any other product page that doesn't have this content, like this pencil sharpener, you will see that this content, this tag is hidden from this pencil sharpener page. So the condition is working like if any of your product have the Metafield, then this tab will appear on the product. But if the product doesn't have any Metafield content, then the tab will hidden from that product page. So that's it for today. I hope you got the point, and if you still have any question, you can comment below. Thanks for watching.